Hey, I know you're tired of looking for the holy grail of affiliate marketing, and I have bad news for you. There is no holy grail. But please don't panic, you're not alone anymore. During the last 90 days, I made $24,000 using my endless profits strategy. And the good news for you, now I'm ready to share my passive income blueprint with you. Just follow the steps of the blueprint to create the freedom lifestyle you deserve. Hey, let me share some of my results. I will refresh this page so you would see this is in real mode, okay, live mode. So as you can see, during the last 3 months I made $24,000 already. Last 4 weeks, almost 10K, and my last 7 days, around $6,000 already made. Guys, this is what's possible when you use my endless profit strategy and a passive income blueprint.